My dear students, 30 minutes of the exam is going to turn 30 years of your lifetime. Remember the 3 C's: confident, courage and commitment. This will always enable you to reach the zenith of the success. My dear students, you have come on this earth. My dear children, जिंदगी है तो ख्वाब है, ख्वाब है तो मंजिलें हैं, मंजिलें हैं तो रास्ते हैं, रास्ते हैं तो हौसला है, हौसला है तो सैयद बारे है, सैयद बारे है तो जीत आपकी है. If you are self-confident in this examination, nothing is going to deter your determination. Be confident enough to face the exam so that you will come up in flying colors. I want my Gulbarga students to achieve 2-digit ranking so that you will take the name of Gulbarga across the country. And Syed Bare PU College want to serve many more students of Gulbarga with Karnataka CET coaching and NEET coaching. Syed Bare PU College wishes good luck and all the best to all second PUC students for the upcoming Karnataka CET examinations. Syed Bare PU College always stands back to all the second PUC students in coaching them for competitive exams. Now the time has come to fly high and reach the zenith. My dear students, take this exam as a challenge and be confident, committed to your work. God bless you in the upcoming exam. My dear students, this pandemic, don't be any much down your conscious enough to face the exam. But this pandemic has given you a very wonderful platform to prepare well. Stay home, keep learning. However, today's night is the last night before the competitive exams. Take a good sleep. See one good motivational video. Try to revise all the previous year's question papers. Do not go for fresh learning. This time you have to come out with a flying colors. So take it with a complete challenge. Make up your time management and see that every question what you attempt is confident enough. Every question what you attempt matches with the right option, and also think the remaining 3 options where they match. So try to avoid the 3 options and choose the correct option whatever you are marking. My dear students, take this Karnataka CET will give you an opening courses for 40 courses apart from NEET. NEET gives you options for 5 courses: MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BUMS, BAMS. But Karnataka CET give you option for 40 engineering branches, BSc Agriculture. Then so many other courses are there, veterinary doctor, and many more options are open. Take this Karnataka CET exam as a challenge, my dear students. Before NEET, this is the best opportunity for you to take it as a challenge to face the much more important exam, which is NEET. My dear students, Syed Bare PU College admissions for PUC first year is ongoing. Our criteria for first PUC admissions is very simple. We offer admissions to all those students who have a strong determination to take up medical and engineering. We train the students at 3 levels: Karnataka CET level, NEET level, and also for JEE. However, we have 3 levels of faculties who will coach the students for these 3 examinations. Option entry for NEET after the NEET examinations is done in our college itself. We take the students up to the gates of medical and engineering. That is the speciality of Syed Bare PU College. During the admissions, all the students, we want you to take the right decision before you choose the right college. I want my children of Gulbarga to be in safe hands and to believe in Syed Bare that we are giving you the best to best coaching. However, training in Syed Bare is at 3 levels. First is our college lecturers themselves will give wonderful coaching. Second level is the special classes. This year we are keeping it from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Even though pandemic is there, we have maintained social distancing and we have taken complete precautions to train the children for the NEET preparations for the 2021 batch. Hence, we all appeal to all the students of 10th standard to take the right decision before taking the admissions. I call upon all the students of Gulbarga to avail the benefits from Syed Bare PU College in order to take medical and engineering seats. Second level, we invite lecturers from all over Gulbarga for NEET and CET coaching. Third, we have a team of best faculties who come from Hyderabad Gujarat and Bangalore who will give the NEET coaching. So my dear students, we are very much confident in giving NEET coaching and bringing many more students at medical level. In 2019 batch, 16 students from our college have taken MBBS. So that is a target what we have achieved. Hence we want all the students of Gulbarga to take the benefit from Syed Baru.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share and subscribe our channel.